Start over. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Stop it. Hey guys, it's your girl Maria Styles here, and I'm here today with a review from an amazing company named DVANZO signs. I ordered a sign with my logo for my company. For those of you who don't know, I am the creator and CEO of Rarity Hair Collection, and I wanted a LED sign. I kept seeing this company, DVANZO signs, just all over social media. I just kept seeing so many people get these signs, and I'm like, wow, I need a sign. So I reached out to them. They helped put together a sign. I know it's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to unbox it. It came a lot sooner than I thought it would. The shipping took no time whatsoever. I'm going to do that with you guys right here, right now. So stay tuned. So I got the sign in the size large with extra height. So that's why the box is so long, and I'm gonna lift it up. Make sure you can't see my address, which you can't. Okay. Oh, oh my goodness. I don't even, yeah, wow. Okay, so, I don't know if you guys can see that. This box is almost as big as me. Wow. Okay. Just gonna put it on my desk and just get to it. Can't wait to open this. Yeah, I waited for you guys because I was like, you know what? I want to unbox this. Okay, so right here I decided to speed things up because it was taking a while to get through the tape. I have to let you know it was packaged so well. So much tape and insulation, nothing was shifted. I mean, I really had to fight to get into this package, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've got it out of the box and it's covered in this styrofoam paper, so let's just start cutting that open. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the remote? Yeah. You can't even. Oh, I hate that noise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. Look at me and then look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to set this up, read these instructions, and I'll be back. Okay, so I got it set up and plugged up, and here it is. Can you see that? I'm so, yeah. I love it. Love it. I'm in love. Hold on. I'm gonna input some pictures so you guys can see it, but y'all, I absolutely love this sign. It's made so nicely, definitely quality, and you can just tell. It's nice and sturdy. It's lightweight. It's not extremely heavy. I know it won't be hard for me to put it on the wall. It also has pre-drilled holes in it, so that way you can just go ahead and get the hardware. It didn't come with any screws, but they're not hard to find. You may actually have them just laying around, and if you don't, any screw will do as long as it can fit in the hole. But overall, I have to say I absolutely love my sign. I'm so happy with this. Y'all, get you a sign. Definitely get a sign. They can take your logo, turn it into a sign effortlessly. You also can customize and get hashtags, sayings, anything that you can think of pretty much on the sign. They're very helpful. The customer service is A1. Can't say enough good things about this company, you guys. And it's Black owned. I mean, come on. Like, seriously. You guys, go to DVANZOsigns.com. That's DVANZO signs.com. Here's their logo. Thumbnail. Seriously, guys, reach out to them. Go to their website. Don't go crazy calling their number and playing around and stuff like that. Seriously, get a sign and tell them Maria Styles sent you. That's it for now. I'm gonna get this put up on the wall so I can get to slaying. Bye. Before I forget, the hair I'm wearing is Rarity Hair Collection, natural curly in 30 inches. www.rarityhaircollection.com. I don't know what time it is. I know y'all see the sign right here. It's lit, okay? Yeah, period. And everybody wished that they had this, but you don't. But you can if you go to DVANZOsigns.com and get you one. Anyone. You just can't have mine. No, but seriously. Period. What she said. Bye.